Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been keeping an eye on the latest tech, you'll know that smart glasses are no longer just a futuristic idea. They're here and they're game changers. In 2026, we're seeing some truly innovative smart glasses that are changing the way we interact with technology. These glasses aren't just for looking stylish, they're replacing your phone. Yep, you heard me right. Let's dive into 5 smart glasses that are doing the most and why they might just replace your phone. First on the list are the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. If you've been waiting for that perfect mix of fashion and technology, these are it. Partnering with Ray-Ban, Meta has created glasses that don't just look good, they work hard too. With display screens built into the lenses, you can check notifications, take calls, and even listen to music directly through the glasses. These are great if you want a hands-free experience without pulling your phone out every time you get an alert. You also have voice controls, so you can interact with your glasses the same way you would with your phone, minus the screen in your hand. Plus, they look like your regular Ray-Bans, so they won't scream tech nerd, but you'll still get all the smart features. I love how these glasses look, and the convenience of checking text without pulling out my phone is huge. Check them out for yourself through the link in the description. Next up, we've got Halliday AI Glasses. These are next level when it comes to augmented reality. These glasses are designed for more than just notifications and media consumption. Halliday AI Glasses provide real-time, context-aware information, think directions, translations, or even analyzing objects around you. It's like having a smart assistant right in front of your eyes. These glasses work seamlessly with your phone, but do a lot more than your phone could ever do on its own, and the AI integration is super smart. It helps you throughout your day without needing to pull your phone out. I've been using these for a week and they're incredibly useful when I'm traveling or just out and about in the city. The AI features are smooth and easy to use. Learn more and grab a pair through the link in the description. The Rokid AR glasses are another pair you'll want to check out. These glasses offer an immersive augmented reality experience, but they're not just about fun. These are seriously functional. Rokid AR is perfect for hands-on work, presentations, and even gaming. You can connect them to your phone or computer, and the AR features allow you to project virtual elements into the real world, which can make tasks like designing, training, or collaboration a lot more engaging and interactive. They're also lightweight, so wearing them for hours won't feel like a burden. Whether you're into AR gaming, virtual tours, or just want a different way to experience media, the Rokid AR glasses take things to the next level. These glasses are super immersive. I use them for work and gaming, and it's a whole new experience. It's like having a personal VR setup on the go. Check them out through the link in the description for more info. Moving on, we've got the Snap Spectacles. Snap has been working on smart glasses for a while, and they've really upped their game. These aren't just for snapping photos and videos, they've become full-fledged smart glasses that integrate seamlessly into your daily life. With the Snap Spectacles, you can interact with apps, take photos, make calls, and even do some light browsing, all hands-free. Plus, these glasses have a sleek design, so they're definitely something you'll want to wear in public. It's Snapchat's evolution into the world of augmented reality, and it's a super fun way to stay connected while keeping your phone tucked away. The spectacles are so fun to use, and I love how easy it is to capture photos and videos without holding my phone. They're super comfy too. Grab yours through the link in the description to learn more. And that wraps up our list of the 5 smart glasses that just might replace your phone in 2026. From real-time AI assistance to augmented reality and seamless hands-free communication, these glasses are changing how we interact with the world around us. Whether you're all about practicality, tech immersion, or just looking for something different, there's a pair of smart glasses for you. Be sure to check the links in the description for more info and to grab yours today. Let me know in the comments which pair you'd love to try out. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.